Hello, everyone. We are back with another one. Welcome to your dream home in the heart of Green Valley. As you can see, no detail was spared in the upgrading of this home, with the well-appointed wet bar and that gorgeous fireplace as the focal point of your living room. Then there's this gourmet kitchen, fully equipped with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops, with tile and wood floors throughout the home, adding a touch of sophistication while providing durability and easy maintenance. An oversized master with dual sinks and a tub for soaking, and nice-sized bedrooms with natural light just pouring in. With a bedroom and bathroom on the main level, offering flexibility in living options. Then, the star of the home. This stunning pool oasis with a backyard barbecue built in. So don't miss out and contact me today, MLS and Equal Opportunity Housing.